Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. Oat milk. Oats are high in protein and fiber and have properties that reduce stress, making them the perfect base for your next cup of joe. This option is probably the closest to dairy in terms of texture and taste, and it froths well.
Let's help you make your mark.
Best non-dairy milk for a latte, frothing, coconut or oat milk. This one is a tie between a carton, not can, of coconut milk and oat milk. Both of these are also available in Barista Blend, making them even better for frothing and foaming. 22 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Oat has been the plant-based milk during last few years. It's no wonder because oat's flavor is quite neutral and mild, which is perfect for espresso-based drinks. They foamed really slowly and I had to foam them almost twice as long as cow's milk. 12 March 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.